A machine recovered from a 2,000-year-old shipwreck could predict eclipse, but nothing like it was supposed to exist in the ancient world. For centuries, historians believe technology this advanced appeared much later. Yet somehow, this device had been built more than 2,000 years. Imagine a ship resting on the ocean floor, not for years, not for decades, but for over 2,000 years, buried under sand, salt, and silence. Lost to history. Until 1901, when sponge divers near a small Greek island were forced off course by a storm. To take shelter, they descended into unfamiliar waters. What they found changed archaeology forever. A shipwreck, covered in coral and stone, statues, jewelry, broken pottery, a frozen fragment of an ancient world. Then something unusual appeared, a dark, corroded object, small, heavy, unremarkable at first glance. It was stored away without attention, just another piece of wreckage. No one knew it was the most important object on the seabed. The artifact was taken to Athens, then forgotten in storage. For years, nothing happened, until the surface began to crack. Inside, something impossible appeared: bronze gears, perfect teeth, interlocking mechanisms. Nothing like this had ever been recovered from the ancient world. Some thought it was a clock, others called it decoration. Neither made sense. Ancient clocks didn't exist, and decoration doesn't require precision gears. So it remained unresolved, a curiosity, nothing more. As cleaning continued, more structure emerged, gear after gear, engraved markings hidden under corrosion. The object was becoming more complex, and a difficult realization began to form. This was not random metal, it was engineered, deliberately. But no known ancient text described anything like it. It did not belong in history as we understood it. So it was dismissed by many too advanced, too precise, too early. Modern researchers later scanned the fragments using advanced imaging. X-rays revealed what the eye could not: a connected system of gears, circular dials, engraved scales. Everything aligned with precision. The object was not decorative, it was functional, a calculating device, built to model time itself. What they uncovered inside would change how we understand ancient technology, and what comes next only deepens the mystery. This was the Antikythera Mechanism. Before we continue, if you enjoy stories where the past still holds unanswered questions, consider subscribing to follow more ancient mysteries. Reconstruction revealed its purpose. It tracked the movement of the sun, the motion of the moon. It calculated eclipses. It even mapped ancient Olympic cycles. A mechanical system designed to simulate the sky, created over 2,000 years ago. Nothing else like it survives from ancient world, and nothing comparable appears again for more than 1,000 years. The discovery created a deeper problem. If this existed, what else existed? Was this a rare accident of genius or evidence of knowledge that was later lost? The Antikythera Mechanism was not just an artifact. It was a rupture in the timeline of human knowledge. It suggests a broader system of understanding that history did not preserve. Even today, scientists continue to rebuild it digitally. Some components are still missing, some functions still debated, but the conclusion is unavoidable. Ancient civilizations were capable of far more than once believed. Not myth, not legend, engineering hidden beneath the sea for 2,000 years. A storm pushed divers off course. A wreck appeared where no one was looking, and inside it, a machine that should not have survived. A device that quietly forces a revision of ancient history, not through stories, but through mechanics, bronze gears, and a question that still echoes across 2,000 years. If this survived, what didn't?